Good morning students, my name is Madhavi working in COE Vardhanapet. The system which gives support to the body, which helps in locomotion, which gives posture and gesture to the body, we call it as the skeletal system. And human skeleton comprises of 206 bones and few cartilages. And this skeleton is divided into axial skeleton which is present along the main axis of the body and appendicular skeleton which is attached to the axial skeleton. And when we take the axial skeleton, it is made up of 80 bones and it includes skull, vertebral column, sternum and ribs. Skull includes cranium, facial bones, ear ossicles and the hyoid. And this cranium is called as the brain box and it is made up of 8 bones. The first one is the frontal which forms the forehead, anterior floor of the cranial cavity and it forms the roof of the orbit. Orbit is the depression in which the eyeball is lodged. And the second one are the parietals which are 2 in number which form the roof and the side walls of the cranium. And these parietals, they are attached to the frontal by means of coronal suture and to the occipital bone by means of lambdoid suture. Sutures are the joints present between the bones. And the third one is the occipital bone which is 1 in number which forms the posterior part and base of the skull. And it has a large opening called foramen magnum through which the last part of the brain, that is medulla oblongata, passes out and joins with the spinal cord. And on either side of the foramen magnum, it has 2 occipital condyles and hence the human skull is called as dicondylate. The skull is attached with the vertebral column by means of 2 occipital condyles. And the next one is the sphenoid bone which is present in the middle part of the base of the cranium and it is called as the keystone bone because it articulates with all other cranial bones. And the last one is the ethmoid which is present in the anterior part of the floor of the cranium. The second part of the skull are the facial bones which are 14 in number. They include 2 nasals which form the bridge of the nose and 2 maxillae which join and they form the upper jaw or the maxilla which is going to have sockets into which the teeth are attached. The third one are the zygomatic bones which are 2 in number and they are called as the cheekbones. The fourth one are the lacrimals which are 2 in number and they are the smallest bones of the face. And the next one are the palatines which are 2 in number and they form the posterior part of the hard palate. Then the nasal concave which are 2 in number, these are scroll-like bones which form the lateral part of the nasal cavity. There are 3 pairs, namely superior, inferior and the middle. A triangular shaped bone which is present in the floor of the nasal cavity is called as vomer. A U-shaped bone which is the longest and strongest and movable bone of the skull. We call it as the mandible or the lower jaw. The third part of the skull are the ear ossicles. Each middle ear has 3 tiny bones called as malleus, incus and stapes. Malleus is modified articular, incus is modified quadrate and stapes is modified hyomandibular. And the last one is the hyoid bone. It is a U-shaped bone which is present in the floor of the buccal cavity between the mandible and the larynx. This hyoid bone helps the larynx to keep open. And today's question is, name the bones which are going to vibrate to sound waves. Thank you. And our tomorrow's session is vertebral column and ribs.